Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How
Hi Eugene, happy birthday. Hope you have a wild enjoy your night with Pussycat Dolls. West Coast edition. Bye.
Hi Eugene! Happy birthday! 50th birthday! Golden girl ka lang talaga. We miss you here! Dapat nandito ka rin. Early in there, outside. Happy birthday! May you have many more to come. Not 50, set to 49. Hello. Okay, bago kami mga lord dito, we're doing this just for you. Happy birthday! Ano narinig? Narinig ba? Ay, ano naman? Patay na rin.
Happy birthday Eugene. I wish you all the best. See you when you're 100.
Identify yourself. Who are you?
Okay na yun.
Who are you? You are Batman.
Eugene, happy birthday! Surprise! Ikaw, inaantay ka namin dito. Kala lang dito ka magsa-celebrate. Kaya ako umuwi eh. Sige, next time na lang. Happy birthday again. Hi, Eugene. Pasensya na minamalat ako. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Special day. Sana nandiyan kami. Celebrate special day. Ay lahat. Happy birthday. Prepare na tayong Golden Girls. O, diba? Hindi na halata ba? Happy for our Golden Girls. Happy birthday. Sana you enjoy.
Hi Eugene! Namimiss ka na namin dito. Happy birthday. Pero wala natin sabihin yung age.
50th eh. Siyempre, alam.
Sige na nga, 50th na nga. Sana balik ka ulit.
Sino na mapagbiro eh.
Happy birthday ulit! Okay, birthday.
Ano ba sabihin mo? Ano na dyan? Miss you na. Ano yun?
Tingnan ko sarili ko.
Ah, ano? Ayaw mo na siya. Ay, wala eh.
O, ikaw na, Esther.
Kasi talaga marami. Ulitin yan.
Hi Eugene, okay na? Hi Eugene, si Ito, otherwise known as Esther Evaristo.
Okay,
Tignan mo, ang aking ay Darna, pero mukha daw akong si Pope na hindi natuloy. Pero sa Pinas, mukha ko ati-atihan, ay hanapulong. Happy birthday darling, we're very proud of you. You're already 50 years old, gold na ang buhok mo.
Ang dami.
Sana punong-gold ang din ang bulsa mo. Sige lang, babu.
Ano?
Habang pinalala ko, so tinitingnan ko sarili ko sa mirror, baka akala mo.
Nakikita mo.
Hello Eugene. Happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the golden years. Hope you still remember me. I missed with Edie Arojado.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Eugene and Miss Cora Riante Rosa. Nice to be seeing you when you come to the
Okay. Ay Eugene, maligayang bati at marami pang iba.
Hey Eugene, yung mga taga Velasquez, hinahanap ka na. Yung mga katato mo, alam ko may tattoo ka rin. Wala sila masabi kundi, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Galing sa Tondo.
Ganun pa, kaya. More. Wala?
Okay.
Are you now? How old?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.